and welcome back to your own YouTube channel, Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. Today, we are back again with some update related to India's prestigious 5th generation fighter jet program, AMCA. As we all know that US is already operating its 5th generation fighter jets, F-35 and F-22 Raptor, and Russia will soon induct its Su-57 fighter jet. China is also operating its self-proclaimed, overhyped 5th generation fighter jet J-20. US has even started working on 6th generation technology. Therefore, India needs to speed up its AMCA program to ensure it's remain valid with time. And from what we can see, the government is focusing on getting the AMCA prototype soon to be rolled out. In a recent interview with its Strats News Global, DRDO chief made very clear that AMCA is going to be a 5.5 generation fighter jet, and the work on it is also going very seriously. The DRDO scientists are also working on the core technologies required for the 5th generation aircraft. HAL has also planned a dedicated production line to be set up for the AMCA once it's ready for the full-fledged production. The new proposed production line will be set up in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu Defense Industrial Corridor. Now, there is another big update related to AMCA which came out yesterday, and it is related to the airframe of AMCA. The Hyderabad-based defense PSU Madani has started manufacturing as well as supplying of the airframe for the AMCA. These airframes will be made of titanium alloy. This is the first time the type of airframe is being made at India under Atmanirbhar Bharat program. Besides airframe, more supporting structures will be built, some of which have already been fulfilled and some are yet to be completed. The technology used by the Madani Group to make this airframe has been developed indigenously by them. So far, Madani has supplied 5 titanium alloy slabs and will be soon supply another 7 slabs on which work is in progress. The Madani Group had earlier supplied similar alloy with the help of similar technology for the crew escape system based on a special titanium alloy for ISRO. Talking about the AMCA program, the design phase of the AMCA has been already sanctioned by the government. The Indian Air Force Modernization Roadmap involves the deployment of around 126 stealth fighters, which is close to 6 squadrons consisting of 36 AMCA Mk1 plus 90 AMCA Mk2 2032 onwards. The development of AMCA will happen in 2 phases. In phase 1, 2 squadrons of AMCA Mk1 will be produced powered by the American GE 414 engines. In phase 2, the 4 squadrons of AMCA Mk2 will be produced, which will be the advanced version of AMCA with 6th generation technologies and will be powered by indigenous engines likely to replace the imported GE 414 engines. DRDO is working with Rolls-Royce for the development of engines with thrust of 110 kN and above. The engine will power all the future jets of Indian Air Force. The production of AMCA is likely to be kickstart in the next 7 to 8 years. With this, I would like to end this video. I hope you gained some knowledge. Share this video with your friends and family. Jai Hind.